Hey everyone, welcome back to Ash Films. I hope you're doing fantastic. So today we are diving into one of the most anticipated IPOs in India. So ever since Jio entered the telecom market, it changed the complete market, from the giving the affordable data and disrupted the industry in ways no one can imagine. And now with Jio preparing for its IPO, so this could be a massive opportunities for investors and a landmark moment for the tech scenes. So let's get into what you need to know about this IPO. To understand why this IPO is so significant, so let's take a quick look at Jio's journey. So Reliance Jio launched in 2016 with a groundbreaking offer, free data and a voice services for everyone. So this move shook up the telecom industry, leading to unprecedented growth in the internet usage across India. By lowering data cost and offering more affordable plans, Jio not only attracted millions of subscribers but also forced other telecom players to lower their prices to compete. Today, Jio isn't just a telecom company, it's built an entire digital ecosystem. We have Jio Fiber for broadband, Jio Mod for e-commerce, Jio 7 for music and streaming, and partnerships with the tech giants like Facebook and Google. So this diversified portfolio means that Jio is positioning itself as a major player in the digital space, making its IPO especially exciting for both investors and tech enthusiasts. Now let's talk about the details of the IPO. So according to reports, Reliance is expected to list Jio separately, aiming to raise billions. Some analysts believe this IPO could set a record for one of the biggest in Indian history. As for valuations, estimates vary, but we could be looking at a valuation of around 100 billion or even more, based on the company's vast reach and the strong growth potential. So currently there's a speculation about whether the listing will be on the Indian stock exchange or the international. Some believe an international listing could open Jio up to a wider pool of investors, especially those interested in India's growing digital market. However, Reliance hasn't made an official announcement about the listing locations or even date. So stay tuned on updates on the front, and Reliance aims to use the IPO funds to accelerate Jio's growth, especially in the expanding its 5G network and digital offering. So with the government pushing for digital transformations across the country, Jio's IPOs could be perfectly timed to fuel its next phase of the growth. An IPO of this scale can have wide-reaching impacts. First, it could shake up the Indian stock market, especially the telecom and the tech sectors. Jio has established itself as a leader in the telecom, but with the fresh IPO funds, it could take even bolder steps in the expanding its 5G infrastructure. So bringing affordable digital services to more people and possibly developing new services to rival major tech platforms. From an investor perspective, Jio's IPO offering a chance to own a piece of one of the India's most promising companies. And for the telecom industry as a whole, this might drive competition further. So Jio's competitors like Airtel, Vodafone and Idea, that is VI, may have to step up to match Jio's aggressive growth plans, which could lead to more innovative and better services for consumers. But with the excitement also comes some risk. Jio operates in a highly competitive market and the telecom companies are often affected by regulatory changes. So investors need to weigh these risks carefully before deciding to invest. So should you consider investing in the Jio IPO? Well, that depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Jio has a strong market positions and a niche innovative digital ecosystem that continues to grow. However, the telecom market is volatile and the competition is intense. Investors should think about Jio's potential in the long term as well as the challenges it may face. Be sure to do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any decision. In the link below, you will find a recommended Demat account set up by Group. Opening a Demat account is the first step to participate in IPOs, stocks and other market investment. Please remember, before investing, it's crucial to review the financials of any company. To review the financial and understand the market risk involved, consider consulting a financial advisor to make informed choices, especially for high risk options like F&O, futures and options and IPOs. Make smart decisions and happy investing. That wraps up our look at the highly anticipated Jio IPO. So what are your thoughts? Do you think Jio's listing will change the Indian tech industry? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on IPOs and market insights. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video on Ash Films. So until then, bye bye.